Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Jamaican oatmeal. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 4 cups of water, and 1 cup of your favorite milk, like coconut or dairy. Don't forget a pinch of salt, some ground cinnamon, a dash of nutmeg, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, have your sweetener ready, perhaps 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or condensed milk. Now let's get cooking. Begin by bringing 4 cups of water to a rolling boil in a sturdy saucepan. Once boiling, slowly add 1 cup of rolled oats and a small pinch of salt, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Reduce the heat to low, allowing the oats to simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally. This helps achieve that perfect creamy consistency without sticking to the bottom. To infuse your oatmeal with incredible flavor, it's time for the finishing touches. Stir in 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. For that distinct Jamaican taste, add about a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. Now, sweeten it to your liking with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or condensed milk. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully and the oatmeal to thicken. Your delicious Jamaican oatmeal is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into a warm bowl and serve immediately. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of additional cinnamon or some fresh fruit like sliced bananas. Some people also love a drizzle of honey or a few toasted nuts for added texture. This warm, comforting, and incredibly flavorful breakfast is a wonderful way to start any morning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.